This is one of the few images we have of Ananke, the goddess. She's holding the axis mundi, the axis that holds together the spheres of existence. Every sphere has its according existence. She holds them together. Underneath, you can see the three sisters of fate. They make sure everybody is doing exactly what they were destined to do, given by the powers of the universe. So they are there to make sure everything goes smoothly. And Anake, she's holding everything together. The spheres within the spheres. This is what they mean, not the spheres that are made by planets, because, as the planets go about, they make spheres, right? But that's astrology, nothing to do with this. This is something else. Now, I look at the axis mundi and I couldn't help saying, Polaris does the same thing. Polaris, everything, goes around it. You can find a time lapse video of everything just spinning around Polaris. It's amazing. And who knows? Maybe that's the axis mundi and Anake. So I'm going to read a small paragraph. The waters and the earth are to be understood not only with reference to our terrestrial seas and continents, but as respectively the possibilities of existence in any of these three worlds, and the support of living beings existent in any one of them according to the terms of its possibilities. In other words, the waters are literally maybe bhavishya. Bhavishya in Sanskrit is hope for what lies ahead. So it is something that hasn't occurred yet. It is almost like a prophecy, a hopeful prophecy of things that are coming ahead. That's what I found. Anyway, the earth, any corresponding plane or sphere or loka or support of experience, and any such earth floats like a lotus or like a foam or like a ship on the surface of the waters, in which it is established. So these spheres here are the waters, and floating on these waters, there's earth, and it is in this earth that life emanates, right? That life is possible. The movement of the spirit by which the waters are stirred is not in itself a local movement, it's not a physical movement, but a local effect, so that the surface of the waters is thrown into waves, and thereby the reflection of the light is multiplied, contracted, and identified into variety. As far as the waters extend, as far as Varuna extends, so far extends his world, asserts the fundamental doctrine of the identity of the possible and the real. So, as far as Varuna extends, as far as the waters go, as far as the waters reach, So, anyway, I was reading and this image was popping in my head, you know, and who knows? Maybe there's something to it.